Hello guys. So today it's gonna be Ondo. Ondo, it's a very interesting cryptocurrency. The Ondo is tokenizing real world assets like stocks, bonds. They are introducing the blockchain technology to other markets. So they could be open 24 hours a day like the cryptocurrency markets. So it's a very interesting cryptocurrency, and the project that is behind it is very interesting in the whole markets, in the all markets, I mean. So starting from the beginning, we it seems that we have an impulse wave here, and here as a triangle, wave 4, which alternates with this very sharp wave 2, and then 5 to complete wave 1. So this is very clear. Now it's possible that we have a here, 3 waves as a B, and now we are finishing as an impulse wave. Wave 1, flat for 2, expanded flat for 2, now 3, complex 4, wave 4, and now wave 5. So sorry, I'm going to change the degree here. Wait a minute. My mistake. Okay, now it's correct. Now, wave 5 could be subdividing. This could be the first 1, 2, and then we are expecting now wave 3, 4, and 5 of wave 5 of C of wave 2. And this could be an ending diagonal. I don't know. We'll see. But at the moment, it's going to be like an impulse. But we'll see. At the moment, this looks like a diagonal for wave 1, wave 2, now 3, 4, and 5. Now, the thing here is, in this last section, that we are very close to the start of wave 1. And the rule is that wave 2 should not go beyond the start of wave 1. So we have very small levels here to respect. So is wave 5 is going to be truncated? Possible, but we have to pay attention that it just needs one tick below wave 3. Other thing that we can consider is that I'm using the Ondo chart from Coinbase. It's a very respected exchange, and to have good volume and liquidity to analyze. And I choose Coinbase because the patterns are more clear, doesn't have like very strong spikes of price. But one thing that I have to mention is that the crypto chart from TradingView, which gathers several sources of information, actually starts a few days earlier. And it has something like this. I'm going to show you guys. It has something like this here, meaning that we could have a little more space. Now, I would not like to use this as an excuse to force an impulse wave, wave 1 and 2, but since this is the very beginning of the cryptocurrency, it could be something we could consider, mainly because this looks impulsive and this clearly looks corrective, and it's taking way more time, and it's aligned with the entire market. Now, if we go really below this, we have to reconsider this interpretation. At the moment, we still have space using the chart of Coinbase. We still have it. Now, we should not go below 0.90 cents. And I mean 90.74, wherever cents. But we have space. We could go just to, for example, 0.20, 20 cents of dollar. That is possible. Now, this is my interpretation of Ondo. Ondo is very interesting cryptocurrency in the way they are changing the world, the way we see all the other markets. They already have tokenized some products like bonds and a few stocks, and at the moment it looks very nice for Ondo. It's a little bit deep, this retracement. That's why I'm on the side of cautions. But at the moment it's playing nicely. 1, 2, now for 3, 4, and 5. We could have a very, very small 5 over here. Now, other thing that I want to mention is that it's very rare, though it's very rare that with this wave 4, by the way, wave 5 is smaller than wave 3. Don't worry about that. And the overlap we have is on wave 4. Now it's not in the end, so it's still valid. Now this interpretation could be different, counting the start from the source from TradingView, but I just prefer to use the Coinbase one. The patterns are way more clear. But anyway, what I was going to show you guys, I'm just going to reduce this to 12-hour time frame, is that this is a very rare occasion. Now look at this triangle. It clearly looks as a triangle. It has the contracting shape. As you can see, its contracting is clearly a triangle. From here, this low, we clearly count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is smaller than 3. So 3 is not the smallest. It's actually the longest. Now, the thing here is, this is a 9-wave triangle. Yes, it's very rare. It's very rare, but it happens. Because in triangles, and this is like the educational part of this video, that triangles, normally the subwaves of the triangles, they must subdivide. It's not normally, they must subdivide in 3 waves. And this structure of the subwaves must be of zigzag family. Now, one of the subwaves could be a more complex structure, could be a double or a triple zigzag, or a triangle itself. Now, when we see triangles, they normally indicate the end of something. Now, for example, this is for wave 4, so indicates the end of this impulse wave. Sometimes when we see triangles in wave B, they indicate the end of the correction. Even if we are seeing in larger time frames that, for example, wave C could last for 2 years, it's still the last leg. So it indicates the ending of the correction. Now, normally, wave A of wave 4 is never a triangle. But the most common subwave to subdivide in a triangle is wave E, and we have it here. I'm going to label it for you. Now, this is wave A, B. As you can see, this is lower than this one, so A, B, C, D, and E over here. Let me change the degree. Now, wave 1, A, B, C over here, D. Now, what we have here, A, B, C, D, and small e, very sharp E. So we have another triangle. And you see all it's respected. Now wave E, it's very small over here. But it's way possible that it counts like this. A, B, C, D, E. We have all the structure intact. All the rules are intact. The right look is not perfect for this small wave E, but it counts very well. So this is the only way that I see that is respecting the entire structure. So A, B, C, D, and then wave E, which is the subwave that doesn't follow a zigzag, which is allowed. it subdivides into another triangle, A, B, C, D, and small e. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. And this is it. And this is it. Now, returning to Ondo, let's pay attention to this final part of the correction. At the moment, the price action is still, the trend is still down. And we'll see if we respect these levels or not for wave 2. Now, that's all for now about Ondo. Bye bye. See you guys later.